Hey everybody, welcome back to the Underground Lair. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe and comment. Anyhow, we have an American Standard P bass from unknown years. I don't know how to read the serial numbers. Doesn't matter, it's a P bass. I've got the screws out for adjusting the ridiculously placed truss rod adjustment. It's a 3/16. It's not up here, and it's the hex. Now I can't use the magic Fender tool where you don't have to move the pick guard out of the way, so I can go ahead and adjust as needed. These we're putting on Ernie Ball Slinky flat wounds, and they're 95 to 40, which is a pretty thin string. But let's go ahead and put these on our bass. Got the purplish thread wrap. We already did all the ridiculous time-consuming stuff, and if you want to see that ridiculous time-consuming stuff that I ordinarily do, you can go to one of my videos from a long time ago and watch me do that ridiculous time-consuming stuff. So what I normally do on a bass that have these big tuning machines, I'll go 3 past and cut it there. Well, I'll go, yeah, wants to live there, 1, 2, 3, cut it. Stick it down the hole, bend it over, and we're going to wind. The right direction. And we're going to wrap it under. Struggling right now because, well, first of all, there were much heavier strings on this before, and these are flats which will have a different tension, so we'll probably have to loosen the truss rod, I'm guessing. We'll find out when we get there. That's why I left the screws off the pick guard. I bend these strings up so they'll go up and over the saddle without giving me any kind of pain in the butt. Wants to live there, we're going to cut it there. It is giving us a good 3 wraps. Okay, we got a little bit of buzzy A string. So let us see what we can see here. I need my capo, and I need my 12th thou. Hold it to 17th fret. And we want the 7th fret. Oh yeah, we gotta release that. Okay. That is why That is why we leave this loose. Come on, you can do it. Get you out of the way. Put my wrench in here. And lefty loosey. Our truss rod. Still rattling. Let's see what our string height looks like. Oh, where we're supposed to be. Don't tell me we need another nut. I don't know if I have another P-base nut. Okay, so we got it up to pitch, and I even took the relief to 14. Some yahoo went and cut that A nut slot too deep. So we're going to order a new nut, and we'll be back when the nut comes in. We're back with the P-base. We got our factory stock Fender P-base nuts in here. If we play our cards right, we may not have to take much off. And I could see they took a gross amount off at the A string. Man, they took probably 16 thousandths off. Where did my file go? There it is. Just gonna get some of that wood glue out of there. I'm not sure why they use so much glue. I really don't need to use so much glue. Let's make sure that the new nut fits. It doesn't. We have to make it thinner. So we can do that. It's just a little too thick and a little too wide. That's easy. Got some 320 paper here. Okay, next step. I'm going to sand just a little bit of the bottom of that off. The bottom radius of this matches the radius of the fingerboard, so take a little bit off like that. Take about the same number of strokes off like that. Get your paintbrush, blow that off, repeat. Alright, boys and girls, I've sanded down the nut at the bottom until to the point where I feel comfortable, or we're close enough that we can sand or use our slotting files to get us close if we need to. But we're darn close just the way we are. That's right at 20 thou. That's right at 20 thou. Oh. Alright, these two can go down just a little bit, so let's do that. And while we're at it, that worm gear in there is kind of really grindy, so we're going to put some guitar grease in that worm gear. And G, it has to come down. They just don't slot that very deep at all. And we want a 45. I've got a 50. I think that's what they use. And I know I'm down where I want to be, so we're going to start putting guitar grease in that slot. Alright, so we got our string height at 5/64. And let's see, now that we have that, where everything lines up. And that's at the 17th fret. Pickup height. How about that? Actually, that can go down just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's very close to it. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. Okay. That's good. Alright. So we got string height at the 1st fret. We have relief at the 7th fret of 12 thousandths. We have pickup height, string height 17. Intonation. Let's see what that looks like. Tuner on. Oh, how about that? Just a hair sharp. Means the sound. Let it come back. Number 2 screwdriver coming in. Bingo. Good. She's good. All right. Plug it into the Funk Master 2000. My micro cube amp. Let's get all these things out of the way. That's all the rush you're getting out of me. Right. So, we went from a sob story to a happy ending. Let it sit overnight, check it in the morning, call buddy and tell him to get it out of my house. Alright. if you live in the greater Pittsburgh area and you want your guitar brought up to par, send us an instant message on the Facebooks and we'll get you in line. You can also get us at stringmanguitars.com. Send us a text message. Take care of the old folks because they're special. Love your neighbor like you love yourself. And most of all, you keep on being awesome. Peace.